Assalamualaikum grade 6 online with computers. Grade 6 students, now we are going to start exercise of chapter number 5. Students will highlight key terms and learn them. First one is presentation, slide, placeholder, theme, template, clip art. Shortcut keys: Control plus home, Control plus end, F5, escape, Control plus N, Control plus S, Control plus M, page up, page down. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally your solved exercise with this exercise. Question number A, choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Question number C, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D, answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are exercise questions. Question number 1, what is presentation? Answer: it is a way to deliver the information to audience with the help of text, audio, video, etc. Question number 2, what is a slide? Answer: a slide is a page in presentation. Question number 3, what is a theme? Answer: a safe design or colorful art setting given to a slide in the presentation, especially for background. Question number 4, what is a template? Answer: a template is a pattern or layout which remains same throughout the presentation. Question number 5, name the 3 different ways to create a new presentation in MS PowerPoint 2010. Answer: first one is creating a blank presentation. Second, creating a presentation by using installed templates. Last one is creating a presentation using installed themes. Question number 6, write some advantages of MS PowerPoint 2010. Answer: advantages of MS PowerPoint are given. First one is you can view your presentation at any place. You can view your presentation on monitor. You can print copies of your slide and give it to your audience. You can edit your presentation even minutes before your live presentation. Question number 7, what is MS PowerPoint? What is it used for? Answer: MS PowerPoint is a part of MS Office. It allows you to create presentation with full support of multimedia elements. Question number 8, write the basic steps to insert a table in a slide. Answer: to insert a table in a slide, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Table from Tables group. Click Insert Table option from the list. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Fill in the number of columns and rows you want in your table. Click OK button. Question number 9. How do you resize a picture? Answer. To resize a picture, click on any of the blank circle around the picture. You will see a double-headed arrow like this. Drag it in any direction you want. Question number 10. What is clip art? Explain how to insert a clip art to slide. Answer. Definition. Clip art is a ready-made collection of different types of picture. To insert a clip art, follow the given steps. First one is click the insert tab on the ribbon. Click clip art from images group. The clip art task pane appears on the right side. Tap the name of the picture you want to search for in search for box. Click the go button. Click the picture you want to. The picture gets inserted in the slide. Question number 11. Explain how to recolor a clip art image. Answer. Follow the given steps. Double click on the clip art image to select it. Click color from adjust group and format tab. A list of images as well as colors appears. Select any style you want to apply to your image. You will see the effect of color on image. Question number 12. How do you align the text or image in a slide? Answer. Follow the given steps. Double click on the image or text to select it. The format tab opens. Click align, drop down list appears. Choose and click the option you want to apply. The selected text or image appears according to your choice.